Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vision Education. So guys, today I have come up with the best podcast video with English with Nilu Kumari, YouTuber. That will be very helpful to you. Let's start. Not too late to start our video.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also great. Thank you so much for asking. So,
Okay.
yeah, we are interacting for the first time. So, please introduce yourself.
Yes, of course. So my name is Sarjit Rai. I am from West Bengal, near about Kolkata. Um, Currently, I am passing BTech in second year student in second year. So I am a student as well as I create one YouTube channel. This is my channel. My channel name is Bishanjul Education. So I will try. I will try best provide best content as well as I'm a student. So this is all about me. And also you
Okay.
introduce yourself, ma'am.
Yes. I am Neelu connecting with you from Jharkhand. My qualification, I'm BCom graduate. And I also run YouTube by the name of English with Neelu Kumari. Yeah, so this is all about me and my hobby if I talk. So I love reading and connecting with the people and to know about me more. Yeah.
Yes. So today I ask one topic. So how to speak English fluently?
Okay, how to speak English fluently. So that is your question or topic as well, we can say.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how we can speak English fluently? So for that, um, see, you have to be very confident while you speak. You have to accept that yes, you can speak. Okay, you have to accept this thing that you know it and you can speak. So that first thing I'll say that confident it is really very vital. Okay, it is vital, and then after this the thing start that you have to by that if you are okay if you want to speak English fluently, for that you have to be very sure that what you have to give and what how you're going to achieve that, and you have to like so that you have to clear that we have to okay so what English take to become a fluent. What does it take to you have to speak, you have to write, you have to listen, and you have to read, right? So these are the four area usually we talk about. With that, one more thing, and which is very crucial that I also do, is about the thinking, that you have to think. And when you think, so you might okay you can check out yourself that what is going on, and okay so how you are thinking and what is your level. So that is the best level that you can check out. So this is a four area you have to be very clear, and you have to be disciplined and maintain your consistency. Okay, sometimes it happens that you cannot always keep your chin up, but still you have to do it because you want to it. Okay, you want to do it, and clear your why, that why do you want it and what you're going to get it, what going to going you get it from this. Okay, if you will be fluent speaker, so what you going to get. So if I okay speak like in your case, there is a very big motive that you want to clear your interview. You're going to appear for the job. Okay, you will meet higher management. So there's so many things in very broad an area for you. So it is a very clear cut reason for you that yes, okay, you will communicate, and for that you have to become fluent, and you will work. But in our case, like if somebody has nothing, but they just want to do it uh, for their own sake and for their own betterment, so then what they can do in that case. So you have to so in that case you will feel someday that doing, someday you will not to do it, but you have to do it. Like if you want to do it for your own confidence, for securing your future, like in future you can do something with this language. Why? Because this language is an international language that you know. Wherever okay you stuck, you will find a person, okay, co-learner or someone to cooperate you in this language. Okay, so it is so that what I'll say that you have to be very clear, you have to be very confident, and okay, you have to follow the rules as well, that what does it take. If you are a beginner, you have to go through a little bit of the grammar, you have to have the command over the tenses little bit, okay, so that you can make a
Basic.
sentence. So you have to be very clear that what it is going to take out and how you're going to do it, and with that you have to believe on yourself that yes you can do, and yeah you are doing it well. So at last, that confidence, yes.
Yes. And grammar is important for spoken English.
Yes, grammar, how you can like escape from it, because it is the base of every it is the base of like how you're going to form your sentence. You have to be very clear that is it present, is it past, is it future. So for that I'll say not too much, don't go through very deep down, because it is not that you are appearing for the competitive exam. In that case you go through the lengthy grammar, but okay, on a like on a lighter note, you can just have, you can go through it, and some topics which is really very vital, like I can say that tenses and little bit voice as well, because
Basic
sometimes
knowledge
you
of
make a
grammar.
sentence.
Basic
Yeah,
knowledge of
basic
grammar.
knowledge
So,
can have, so that, yeah.
like uh, vocabulary and some tense, present, past, and future, and singular, plural, how to use, how to make sentence. Basic grammar. I think you can do.
Just singular, plural,
Plural.
tenses, so
Yes.
that you have to be clear with yourself.
No deep grammar need for a spoken English.
No.
Yes. So, next question. Social media good or bad? Advantage or disadvantage? Some key point you describe.
Okay, so see, everybody is using social media. So it depends on the person to person that what is like how you are using it. It has many advantages that I'll say, because of this social media. Because when we talk about the bad things or evil effects, so it is prevalent all over the world. If the person has the nature to do something bad, so they will definitely do it. It is not just the social media, but they are in their nature itself that they will commit something bad thing. Okay, they will not do study, they will keep playing, or they will do something whatever, but they are
Addiction.
in the habit. It is not, yeah, addiction. It is not only social media that you can respond, you can think that it is a responsible. But when it comes to goodness or advantages, so it is very it's very very good, like we are also using social media. Okay, the person who were not in the mm, this facility, who had no access to this kind of facilities, they are now using it and becoming a better and getting confidence and able to create something for themselves. So it is a very good thing and very big platform. So if I start numbering it, so there are a lot of advantage. And if I go through it, so you know also that in education, okay, we have improved a lot. We have before the when we had no social media or we had no internet, phone. So that time we have to travel a lot. Okay, we had
Yes.
to travel a long
Currently,
distance, and we had, yes. And
currently
now
we are
you
doing
can do
session.
it easily. Yes, and now you can do it easily. Okay, on your phone, you can have the facility to reach out any good teacher. Okay, whatever the content you want to do. In financial sector, you see it is also doing well. Okay, and e-commerce. Okay, they are also incorporating good things. Okay, well doing their shoppings and getting customers and audience. So it is a all over, I'll say, very very good. The person who has nature to do the bad things, so they will do it not on social media, but just it is a name that you have the social media, you're going to visit on, and you are watching the kind of the content which is not useful for yourself. So it depends on the people to people that what they choose. And social media, because of the social media also, we know that how it is beneficial, we are interacting with the people. Was it possible earlier? No. Okay,
Different side
and
of
now
country.
yeah, internationally we can connect together
Yes,
now these days. So it is like a home place. Like every person whosoever you meet, you will feel like yeah, we know each other. We are learning communication. We are learning how to respond and to respect other ones. So this is happening because of the social media. Sometimes happen that bad news get a good that's rumors. It is spread in just a click of I'll say a touch, that it happens very quickly, and you have to be very mindful in that time that whether it is true or not, the kind of content that you are getting, is it realistic or not. So you have to go through that. Don't believe whatever pop up in front of you. So last one thing I'll say that it is very very good, but you have to be very smart while using social media, because people are getting very smart when as it is getting more advanced, people are getting also advanced. So you have to be also very smart and astute to while it comes to using it.
yes. This is depend to you how to use. Yes. So, ma'am, how long you practice in English?
I have been practicing English. It is going to be 7 to 8 months. I started from the last year of October month.
Great. Because this type of conversation is so helpful for communication. Communication skill improve.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for
Yeah.
thank you
Yeah.
for giving your valuable time because you're so busy person currently.
Yeah, same here. I also enjoyed session a lot, and your questions was really good, and I tried my best to
Yes,
put
ma'am.
my opinion there.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Thank you for watching, guys. This is Sajirai signing off. See you again with the next video.